Hey team, welcome back. We've got a quick workout today. It's Pilates on the ball. All you gotta do is roll out that mat, set that intention, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you click that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss any workouts. And if you want more, click that join button below to get access now to over 200 workouts. Go ahead and get on your back. We're gonna be doing a roll up. So the ball is in your hands, legs are extended out. If you need to, you can bend your knees. Each move is 45 seconds with 15-second transition. Exhales, you roll up, reaching for those feet, and then tuck the tailbone, roll your spine down. You can reach all the way back, but then keep the ribs knitted in, anchoring those legs. So I like to flex my feet. If you do have a hard time getting up, you could also do this with weights in your hands to really get your body some muscle memory here. Next move is going to go into the legs. All right, so it goes all the way up. I kind of in the feet, kind of calf area, squeezing and holding the ball. We're going to be lowering the legs down and then lifting them back up. Head can be up or down. Inhale, lower, pause. Exhale, squeeze in and lift up. And I'm going to give you a little tip here. Slow it down, makes it harder. Can always bend the knees to make it just a little bit easier in the spine and your back. Ball will be going underneath the feet. We got a bridge with a curl. All right, bending the knees, feet on the ball. I'm gonna have like almost the whole foot on the ball. Arms kind of in a Y. You're gonna lift the hips off the floor, roll it out, roll it in and drop. Curl up, hold, and then extend out, hold, pull in, release. About articulating the spine, which means peel it up one piece at a time. And the same thing when you take it down. When I'm lifting the hips up and down, I'm pushing into those feet, into the ball. All right, relax, because we got a little bit more of this kind of movement here. You're gonna come up into the bridge. I'm just repositioning my body. Up in bridge and hold. You're gonna kick the front leg, swing it down up, place it back to the ball, and then do the back leg. Oh, this is gonna be fun. Kick it up, swing it down, up, pause, and then switch. Your hamstrings are gonna really fire up here. If they cramp, take a break. Relax into that upper body a little bit. Sometimes you start to tense up your jaw and your neck. Next move, the ball will go in between the legs for wipers. All right, we're gonna bend the knees, place it back into those. I'm gonna go more into the knee area, so drop it down a little bit more, really squeeze, arms in T. We're gonna be dropping to the front and then to the back. So drop it to the front, inhale, exhale up, and then to the back. Hey, as you're going up, back to center, push that bottom knee into the ball. Back of the head's on the mat. It's a great opportunity to use those inner thighs. They're connected deep into your core here. Next move, we're going to reverse this. We're going to have it in the hands for a twist. Ball in the hands to rock up. You're going to lean back slightly and then twist that ball to the front and to the back. Option to have the legs lifted. Open up your chest.
You know me. You know I can't pretend. I'm pretty, baby.
All right, we're going to have a little challenge here. Don't move anything but that waist a little bit here. Like twist that waist. So instead of it just being the arms, right, there's a difference.
We spent all of this time. I know we have it good. I thought it was me and you. We were true, but something doesn't feel right. No, I don't know if I want to stay.
We're going to take the next move onto your back, looking at the ceiling, legs up. We got a dead bug, legs up, ball on the shins. You're going to drop front leg, back arm, and then switch. Ooh, I'm feeling my quads a little bit here. How about you? Front leg, back arm, pause, and then switch. Inhale, you lower. Exhale, you come up.
I'm walking away. So slowly, I'm walking away. Don't know where I'm heading, just know that I'm going. So I keep on walking away. I'm saying I'm walking away. So slowly, I'm walking away. Don't know where I'm heading, just know that I'm going.
We're going to be coming into a plank. The ball will be underneath the feet. Plank tucks. All right, rock it up. Ooh. The further you are away, the harder it is. Feet are on. Keeping those hips kind of low. Tuck knees into the chest. And then inhale, bring it back. Or you could just hold that plank if you need to. And usually that first time in a plank on a ball is a little unstable, so work your way up into it. Get that chin off your chest, look out in front of your mat just slightly. Next move, the ball will go under the hips for bird dog. Ooh, gracefully come out of that one, huh? Ball underneath the stomach. Kind of suck it up, put it on top. Legs and toes. I reach front arm, back leg, and then switch. A pause and switch. Now the hand is on the floor. Try to keep it kind of light. Have a dramatic pause so you feel your glutes activate. Have your feet open. Next move, we're going to come up onto our feet. Heels and toes turned out, first position. You're up, ball in your hands. First position here. Right leg stays, left leg taps in front, a half circle, and then to the back. Soften your standing leg. Take it out to the side, to the front, to the back. And you're like you're wringing out your waist here. And you're working on your balance. And it's okay to stumble, right? Because we learn a lot when we fall down. We just have to get back and try it again. Ooh, I was ready to fall there. Okay, start yourself. Heels and toes turn out. You could do this barefoot. This would be a great workout barefoot. Extend the leg out. So remember, we're gonna take it to that half circle. Really wring out the waist. Chin up. Ooh. I think I would do much better if I was barefoot. It's a great one, and we're gonna wring you out, give you some length, give you some strength. Ball is gonna go underneath this hip. Come onto your side. You can extend both legs or have bottom knee out. We're gonna take the top leg and do a side leg lift. I'm gonna go hand on my hip. Now you have the option, if you feel unstable, put your bottom knee to the ground. Ooh. I'm telling you, this stability ball is a great tool to have. If you're looking to really build some strength and build some muscle, check out that 4-week strength series. We use the ball in almost every workout. It's a great tool for home. Ooh, all right, let's do the other side. So decide where you want to go. If you want to stack it. Relax your shoulders. We're on the back, doing the 100 where the ball's in the legs. All right, you did great. Come on that back, ball into the legs, lifting the head and shoulders off the mat, reaching arms long by your side, head and shoulders up, legs can be angled down. We pump the arms. So lengthen the legs, like reach them out and have that little squeeze. You can always bend the knees. You can always bend the knees, even put the legs on the ball, right? But I know you guys, you're gonna go for it at home. Pump those arms like you're splashing water. Rock it up. We are going to do a sit-up on that ball. Last move, you guys. Start at the back of your mat. Walk your feet out. Mid to low back on the mat. We're going to up-rotate front, up-rotate back. Open the chest up. A little twist to the front and a twist to the back. If it's too easy, hey, walk your feet back a little bit. Keep those elbows wide. Great job. Let's just do a little back extension here. Arms reach kind of wide or all the way back, and you can roll your body so it goes, oh, like a wheel. Doesn't that feel great? All right, we're gonna take our bodies on up, bend those knees, push yourself all the way up to standing. Woo, let's use the ball here. Swing it around. So we're gonna go out to the right, swing it down, all the way up, and then go to your left. Down, around. Let's do that again. Last one. Hold it at the top. Big inhale, reach it up. Bring it into your heart. Ooh, drop the ball down, because you gotta just do that. You gotta just do a little touch here. Feel that heartbeat. Take a big inhale and let it go. You did amazing. Yay for you. I hope you enjoyed that. Hey, there is a Pilates workout that uses that magic circle, or you could call it a ring. It's like a 15-minute one. That's a great one to add in with this, or just when you want to do a little more Pilates to make you feel amazing. I feel amazing. How about you guys? Thank you, Carol. Thank you, Jen. I'm going to go a different way. Thank you, Diane. Thank you, Cheeky. Thank you, Catherine. Thank you, Liza. And of course, thank you guys. You did amazing. We are so looking forward to you checking out those other 15-minute workouts. And if you haven't yet, make sure you do subscribe or join the channel to get more content. You guys have an awesome day. We'll see you back on that ball, right? Take care.